Hi children, today we solve some problems, exercise 1.2. It's the first question, look. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Here look, book exhibition means book display held on in a school. Then each days they sold tickets and its numbers also given there. Look, first day, second day, third day and fourth day. How many tickets sold on first day? Then first day 1094 and second day 1812, third day 2050 and fourth day 2751. Then find out its total, means total numbers of the ticket. Then we have to find out the total. We add all these numbers. Then first this is state words problem, so we write a statement also. Then what is the first statement? Look, ticket sold on first day. Number of tickets sold on first day. Then question number 1. First statement, number of tickets sold on first day. First day how many tickets sold? 1094. 1094. The next statement, number of tickets sold on second day. Second day how many tickets sold? 1812. 1812. And tickets sold on third day. Number of tickets sold on third day. Third day how many tickets? 2050 tickets sold on third day. And final day, fourth day. 2000, how many? 2050 tickets. The next, number of tickets. Number of tickets sold on fourth day. Fourth day how many tickets sold? Fourth day sold 2751 tickets sold on fourth day. And what is the last number of tickets sold on all the 4 days? Then the total number of tickets. The total number of tickets sold on these days, on all the 4 days. Then we can write total number of tickets. Then What is the total number of tickets? How to find out? We add all these numbers. Then plus add the numbers is equal to, can direct add. Look, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. And 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Then you write 0, carry 2. Then 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 0, 0. And 10 plus 7, 17. Write 7. Carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Then how many tickets sold on all the 4 days? 7,707 tickets. Is it clear? Then you write, look, next question. Second question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in a test matches. Then he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Here look, then Shekhar is a cricket player. He scored how many runs now? 6,980 runs he scored now. Then he wishes to score how many runs? Wishes to complete 10,000 runs. Then how many more runs he need for his wishes? Then first, what is the first statement? Shekhar scored runs. Then question number 2. Then what is the first statement? So Shekhar scored runs. The runs scored by Shekhar, how many? How many runs? 6,980. H also Shekhar. 6,980 runs now. Then he already scored. Then what is his wish? To complete 10,000 runs. Then means his wish. What is his target? Then target of runs. What is his target of runs? 10,000 his target. And how to find out how many more runs he need for his target, wishes. How many more? How to find out? This here we subtract, means this is 6,980 subtracted from 10,000. So we will get its answer. So last statement, what is the last statement? How many more runs does he need? Number of more runs. He number of more runs he needed. Then 10,000 minus which 6980. 0 എന്താണ് 0 minus 8 take carry from 9 then 9 and 9 minus 8 1 9 minus 9 0 9 minus 6 3. So how many runs, number of more runs he need? 3010 runs he need. Is it clear? Then next question look. What textbook? Sixth question. A machine on an average manufactures 2825 screw a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? Then in a day how many screw produced, manufactured? Then number of screws. First statement, number of screws produced in a day or manufactured. You read the question. This question one more time you read. A machine on an average manufactures 2825 screw a day. How many screw did it produce in the month of January 2006? Then first statement, number of screws produced in a day. Question number, which question number? 6. 6, number of screws produced in a day. How many screws? 2825. 2825. Then what is question? Look, how many screws did it produce the month of January 2006? In January, how many screws, total number of screws produced? How to find out? In January, one day how many? 2825 screws. In January, how many? How to find out? First, you look how many days in a month January. Number of days. How many days? Number of days in January. Number of days in January. How many days? 31 days. Then in one day how many? 2825 screws produced. In 31 days how many? How to find out? This 2825 multiplied by 31. We get then screws produced in number of screws produced in January. Then number of screws produced in January. Total number of screws. Total number of screws produced in January. Listen here. See also right. Screws produced in January. How to find out? 2825 multiply which number? 31 number of days in January. 1 5 5 1 2 2 1 9 8 1 2 2. Then 2 5 50 carry 1. 2 3 3 2s are 6 6 plus 1 7. 3 8s are 24 carry 2. Then 8 2s 3 2s are 6 6 plus 2 8. 5 7 15 carry 1. 1 plus 2 carry 1 here 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 4 7. The total how many number of screws produced? Number of screws January screws. Then 87,575 screws produced in January. Then next one more question look.